Looking for a reliable company for home window installations? If you answered yes, then this company is for you. Advanced Exteriors has launched its updated home windows installation service in Minneapolis, Minnesota. The company offers vinyl home windows from Plygem which come with Low-E glass packages and frames filled with the patented R-Core insulation. Advanced Exteriors home windows offer a number of advantages including meeting rails with interlock and ventilation limit latches for added security. The company possesses an extensive selection of window styles. It carries single and double hung, casement, awning, garden, and sliding windows among other styles. Most of the company's windows carry lifetime warranties backed by Advanced Exteriors and the manufacturer. Go to advancedexteriors.com/homewindows for more info.